Though, if you're not making money online in 2025, you're missing out. Big time. While you're scrolling, others are building six-figure incomes from their laptops. The question is, will you be one of them? Stay till the end, because I'm about to break down 3 beginner-friendly ways to hit $10,000 a month fast. VO. Let's be real. Traditional jobs aren't built for wealth. You trade hours for dollars, hoping for a raise that never comes. Sound familiar? But what if you could build income streams that pay you even when you're sleeping, traveling, or binge-watching Netflix? Pause for effect. Oh, and before you say, "But I have no skills," relax. You don't need them. Yet. One high-ticket affiliate marketing, 020 to 030. Companies are begging to pay you for referrals. Instead of selling $20 t-shirts, imagine earning $500 to $2,000 per sale. No product needed, just smart marketing. Start with platforms like Amazon Associates or Digistore24 and turn content into commissions. 2. Freelancing with AI assistance, 030 to 040. AI isn't replacing jobs, it's creating them. Can't design? Canva? Can't write? ChatGPT? Can't code? Nope, you don't have to. Sites like Upwork and Fiverr let you offer skills you don't even have yet, all with AI doing the heavy lifting. 3. Digital product empire, 040 to 050. Ever wonder why people pay for ebooks, courses, or Notion templates? Because digital products sell forever. Create once, sell infinitely. Whether it's an Excel budget sheet or a lazy man's guide to investing, this is how you make money while sleeping. Most people will watch this and do nothing. The ones who take action, they'll be making $10,000 a month, while others are still debating if it's possible. You've got the blueprint. Now, make the move. Subscribe for more game-changing wealth hacks and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. Your future self will thank you.